Hi guys, this is just a very quick video to share with you a niche that I think might be worth having a little go at. It's the baby logbook. Now there are loads of different types on the market. You can see there's over 1,000 results. There are loads of different types, but the one I'm going to focus on isn't one like a milestone book where it's the baby's first steps or the baby's first smile or solid food or giggle, laugh, word, whatever. Too much work on that. What we're going to look at is a simple repeating journal that just tracks the everyday occurrences in the baby's life. I'm talking pee, I'm talking poop, I'm talking feeding and snoozing. Actually, my favourite things. You could repackage this book for middle-aged men. But this is it here. Really, it's so simple, it's unbelievable. Now, there are a lot that are independently published. Some are spiral bound, which we can't do, of course. But the build of the book is still the same. And this is this particular book. The books I'm going to show you are very similar. It's basically just a logbook. That's all it is. And I've showed you how to make logbooks recently. Go through the back catalogue. I'll try and list it in the description below. But this is basically just a basic logbook tailored towards baby keeping records. So there's space there for feed, sleeping, diaper, awake time. There's sub-columns about which side the baby fed from, how long they fed, how much they fed. But it's at its heart and at its essence, it is just a simple logbook. And here's another very simple one. Meals, feed, sleep, naps. That's it. That is all that is repeated throughout the book. There you go. It's just a one-page repeating book. It's got 137 ratings, and this one's making approximately $1,000 a month. You could knock that up in your sleep, really. This is, what is it, 1, 2, 3 small logbooks, technically. You could make that with 3 tables, add a few graphics, and you've got yourself a book that could potentially make thousands of pounds a month. So when you're progressing from your simple line journals and your simple prompt books, logbooks are the next logical step. And I think that this baby tracker, for want of a better phrase, is a really good place for you to start. It's a bit more complex than a mileage log or things like that. But as you can see, for this particular keyword, there's over 1,000, which isn't a lot. And you can be as simple or as complex as you want with them. So this one here, very simple. This one here was a little bit more complex, but it was still just the same one page repeated over and over again. Now, the idea behind these books is that parents can track the baby's feeding, sleeping and bowel movements, because who doesn't want to know that? But also it can be for carers, babysitters, any sort of early years caregiver, baby care groups, things like that. So you can target your keywords towards those groups. You can also do something like business to business, where you directly supply logbooks to a local childcare group in your area. You could offer to make them personalised even as well. So I think these books, if you're thinking about developing your logbook range, baby trackers are definitely one to look at. Right, that's it for today's vid. Like I said, nice and short. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.